Thanks for joining us as we learn how to use Inspire. This database is free for all Indiana residents and includes access to magazines, newspapers, journal articles, as well as other types of educational tools. Start by going to inspire.in.gov. From here, you can perform a search, access a specific database, or browse which databases are available. We'll start by using the search bar. You can narrow your results using the options on the left. You can also see what type of resource each item is: a report, reference article, video, periodical, academic journal, and more. Most of these are good sources for school reports, but especially scholarly or academic journals that have been published within the last 10 years. Once you've chosen a resource, you can read, download, print, email, and cite the article easily. However, you can usually only see included photos by choosing the PDF full text option. If you are specifically looking for student-friendly resources, it is easiest to use the student search databases. You can do this by using the Databases by Subject options along the top of the main Inspire page. The Explora databases are particularly helpful. Again, thanks for learning about Inspire with us. If you find yourself with questions this video didn't answer, please contact the Tipton County Public Library directly, and we would be happy to help.